kids, how are you all? I hope you are all doing good. So we are back on your favorite learning platform, Learn Forward, and we will study from PITARA. This is chapter number 14, numbers from 10 to 20. So we have already learned from numbers from 1st to 10th. हमने 1 to 10 already numbers जो हैं learn कर लिए हैं. Now we will study, we will learn the numbers from 11 to 20. So you might have learned the counting, that is 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. So इसमें हम we will learn the number names and we will learn the counting as well. Numbers from 10 to 20. So this is 10. 110 मतलब जब एक हम 1 को 10 times count करते हैं, it becomes a 10. And 110 and 1, जब 110 में एक 1 add हो जाता है, that becomes 11. 110 and 2 ones, that becomes 12. Now as you know that we write numbers like this, ये ones होता है और ये tens होता है. So इसलिए 110 and 1 it becomes 11. 1 tens and 2 ones, 1 tens and 2 ones, ये बनता है 12. 1 tens and 3 ones, 1 tens and 3 ones becomes 13. 1 tens and 4 ones is 14. 1 tens and 5 1 is 15. 1 tens and 6 1 is 16. 1 tens and 7 ones is 17. 1 tens and 8 ones is 18. 1 tens and 9 ones is 19. And 2 tens मतलब अगर हम 2 को 10 times लिख लेंगे तो that is your 2 को tens में लिखेंगे और then becomes 0 at the ones, that becomes 20. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So this is a counting from 10 to 20. Now we will learn the number names as well. This is 11. What is the spelling or the number name for 11? E-L-E-V-E-N. So we will write here E-L-E-V-E-N. You can write the number names in front of this as well. Now 12. T-W-E-L-V-E 12. Now 13. T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N 13. Now 14. F-O-U-R 4, the spelling is same as 4, but just you have to add teen. It becomes 14. F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N 14. Now 15. Fifth, F-I-F, fifth and teen. T-E-E-N teen. 15. Now, what is this? 16. The spelling of 6 is same and then you have to add teen. S-I-X 6. And T-E-E-N teen, 16. 17 is same, 7 is same and you have to add teen to it. S-E-V-E-N 7, T-E-E-N teen, it becomes 17. Now what is this? 18. We have to write 8, E-I-G-H-T and then add teen to it. Now next 19. The spelling of 9 will remain same, N-I-N-E, and you have to write teen, T-E-E-N. Now 20. What is the spelling of 20? T-W-E-N 20, 20. T-W-E-N-T-Y. So what you can do to learn these? You can write the spelling 2 times in front of this. So it will get better for you. Now ring the correct numeral. अब हमें क्या करना है? We will count it and we will circle the number. First one is already done. Let's count the apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So there are 17 apples in the picture. Let's circle the 17. Now we will count the umbrellas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So there are 13 umbrellas. We will circle the number 13. Let's count the buses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So there are total 20. We will circle the number 20. Let's count the bananas now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So there are 11 bananas. Now let's count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 14, we will circle the number 14. Let's count the guns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there are 12 guns. Let's circle the 12. Let's count the number of suns here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So number 15 is here. Circle it. Now last is pens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So there are 18 pens. Let's circle the number 18 here. Now next page. So we will do this here. We will join the dots with the numbers. So we will have to do by the counting. Counting के according हमें इनको join करना है. So there is 1. We will join it with 2. After 2 comes the 3. So let's join it with 3. And after 3 comes 4. Then 5. Then 6. Here is the number 7. Now find number 8. Then 9 and 10. So हमने इसे counting के हिसाब से we have joined this truck and we have made a truck out of it. Now this is a rocket. You can do it by yourself. इसमें आपको 1 से लेकर 20 तक counting को read करके join करना है. So from here you can start. Here is 1 and 20 is here. You have to join it like this till here. So we have completed the chapter. If you have any problem, you can watch the video again. Thank you so much. Happy learning.